Hello and welcome to Polyfield. Today we are going to talk about some missing add-ons in 4.2. 4.3 has already been released. I'm using one, and if you upgrade from the older version before the 4.2, you might have the same problem, the missing add-ons. In this 4.2, let's see. First, let's check my mesh. There are some famous add-ons called extra mesh or extra curve. Now I have not them in my blender. Then let's check it in the add-ons. Add-ons type extra. Now I don't have this in the add-ons. Actually, it's not a problem. The main thing is Blender moved some of their add-ons to the extensions. There is a tab extension, get extensions. If we go there and search for extra, then we can find our extensions. Oh, there's one thing. If you can see this list, then that means you have not synced with their repository. You have to sync with their extensions.blender.org repository by clicking this sync button. Then you will have this list. Let's check some. Yes, this is the extra curve object, and we can install from here. If we go to the website, and the add-ons are still available, you can download them and install from the add-ons. But we are not gonna do this. You can download this one and you can install it from the install from disk, but we are going to install it from here. Just search the extra, find your desired extension and click on the install button. Yes, we have installed it. Now let's check if I have extra curves. Yes, we have some extra curves now, and I'm still missing the extra meshes. Let's install it too. Edit, preference, get extension tab. I have already searched for the extra, and there it is, extra meshes object. Install, and we are done. Let's check. Yes, I have those extra meshes. So this is it. You can install more extensions you are missing, like loop tools and some others. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment if you need any specific video. Thank you for watching.